This video was brought to you by Elbilmek, ABRP, Stormberg, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? Today we're going to be testing a Mercedes. This is Mercedes EQS SUV, but it's a Maybach. They only come in this, they don't come in the EQS, the sedan version. So I will not test drive the car, that's not the point. We're going to be test driven in a car. And I just happen to have Isabel with me also, because it's planleggingsdag today. It's Friday, but there is no, no kindergarten. So then, Isabel, okay, Achtung. So I'm going to put the I mean the Cybex in there. So, okay, let's start now. We have to get ready so Isabel can also sit there. This is going to be interesting because most reviewers, they sit there with adults only. I'm probably the only one who will have a car seat here. This is Cybex Anoris T2. It's a forward-facing car seat with airbag, and also we have nice Isofix openings here. I will have to be careful about the interior. We have really expensive and nice interior here. Don't want to mess with that, so let me see. Don't want to scratch anything. I have mounted Isofix many times before, but still I feel a bit nervous right now. But fortunately, the Cybex, they don't have any harsh edges to scratch the nice leather here, so I just have to make sure. Come on. Wait, now I don't see it there. But usually if I see it on this side, you see that I struggle. I mean, they have Isofix here for a reason, which is that you can transport children here. Just have to make sure I can hit the hole. Well, already now I'm slightly struggling. Okay, yes, it's green. This is the hard part. I don't see that well here, but I can see now. Now it's finally in position. Raise this leg high enough until it stops beeping. Still wants higher. Okay, now we're in a slightly weird position. Normally I would have this on the other side, but it still works. Okay. And what is very important is that we don't want Isabel to wear shoes in here. She could kick the interior. She take off the shoes. Okay. And then you go in here. Wow. Okay. Are you okay, Isabel?
Yeah.
Alles gut. Oh, we're off, so yeah, this is the first time I review a car based on being driven in, not drive it myself. And to be honest, it's probably no point to drive this EQS SUV. I've driven several EQS SUV already, and also EQE. So we have one screen here. We also have another screen here. This, I would take it out. We can do this. See, everything is electric. Yeah, because I don't want to bend forward to reach this screen, so I could use this screen instead. Yeah, the only thing I'm missing is that I'll try to change language here. It seems like you have to do it in the main screen, in the front. But yeah, of course, let's put it back here. Wonder if this is like a cheap tablet, Samsung tablet. SMT260 it says here. But of course you have some silver cups here, glasses. Yeah, here we have heating. Oh, now it's in cooling mode, heating mode. Oh yeah, Maybach everywhere. Burmester. Isabel, can you say Maybach?
Maybach.
Yeah, Maybach. Yeah, nice. Oh yeah, there's just so many gadgets on this car. But the whole point here is that you want the top luxury, the top comfort. Like Maybach is competing against Bentley and Rolls-Royce. You know, this is not premium, this is not luxury, it is beyond luxury. It's just the upper hard, yeah. So you can open here. Yeah, let me show you now while we're driving. This is also a good test. We can take out this table, fold like this, take it down here. So here you see that it looks like a regular EQS SUV, but we have the Maybach rims. We have the iconic vertical grille look here, the Maybach here, and also from now you can also get the star on the hood. If you notice the EQS earlier, EQS, you don't get the star yet. Well, eventually you will also get it there. And then you have the Maybach logos here. And also this is two-tone color. And you know, this two-tone here, this is handmade or handcrafted, hand-painted. Man, I've seen some videos. Like, these guys, they need to be super precise when they draw the line. So under that, it looks like a regular Mercedes, right? And here also, yeah, Maybach here, you know. And then we have Maybach in the back, EQS 680. It's dual motor. So you see here, this is different because there is no removable partial shelf, and we have the Burmester here now. And this is one of the steps they did, Mercedes, to make it even quieter, is that this is now a hard top with extra soundproofing. And then we have the fridge, you know? And I heard it, well, I'm not sure, but I'm not sure if this is actually a compressor-driven refrigerator or not. But you can also remove this if you want more space in the back. Look at that. Huh? Then you free up space here. But you know, this EQS SUV comes in a 5-seat. Wait, can you just click it in? There, okay. It comes in a 7-seater, but here they eat up the space, so you get more space in the back there. And then, yeah, okay, if you need to bring some extra stuff, here you have just the regular safety stuff. So yeah, I mean, not the biggest trunk. If I would guess how many banana boxes we can fit in here without the refrigerator or with the refrigerator. Okay, with the fridge, let me see. Thinking maybe just 4 or 5, not 4 boxes. Without the fridge, maybe 5 or 6, I'm not sure. But not the best space, but I think that's not the point, is it? Wait, I can hear it now. Oh, you know, I heard it, that humming. Yeah, I can feel the vibration. So it is actually a compressor based, but it actually makes a little humming noise. We can try go in the front and listen. Look here. They put leather everywhere. Even leather here, leather here. They're just top-notch interior. Isabel is just sleeping. Look. Yeah, look at that. No, okay, that's the humming I was talking about. So if I just get in here, and if I close the door, just do this. It's running now. But it's just there. It's just 2 blue or 1 blue or off. So if it's in a 2 blue mode, then you will hear the humming in the back. So it's not totally silent. There, you can hear it starting again. And even if I close it. So that, I mean, how do we block out that humming? Well, normally when you're driving, you might not hear it. And of course here, you have space for 2 champagne bottles. Yeah, well, I would probably put some Stormbag bottles in there with some battery or Red Bull. Yeah, well, that's me. And then just walk through here. Yeah, here you see 4 USB-C, 12-watt outlet there, HDMI inputs. What the heck, man? Some space here. What is this? Oh, is this? Yeah. Wireless charging pad. I can feel it's hot here. Let's see, can it fit my very modern Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus? I think it should have cooling also. Yeah, you see? There. I can hear the fan. It's cooling. Perfect for iPhones that overheats. And then here, see, glasses. Wait, how do you take this out? Okay. Oh, I can feel they are kind of cold. Oh, they are chill. And then here, see, also a little pocket there. Maybach there. Evans here, that's nice. Here you can hang your coat. Here you can also touch here. I mean, you can pull here. We have handles on all 4 doors. So, yeah, but a nice tour. Yeah, this screen. This is just the way you know it in the Mercedes system. And then we also have some buttons here when you want to activate the sleeping mode. Maybach logo projected under there. We can put some stuff there, but then the problem if you put something there is that there is no side thing holding it. I don't know if you would put bottles or whatever, it could roll over here, but there's no problem usually because there's no pedals unlike in the front. So no problem there, you know. But here you see, illuminated the belt bucket thingy. Yeah, and here you see pillow that also comes with the car. And here we have the Isofix. This is what Daddy Bjørn is looking for. And I was struggling here because the Isofix hooks, they are kind of hidden there. Really, you get the Maybach and you can't transport your kids in the back here. You go to the kindergarten run. And then, how do you put it? Okay, and then you squeeze it back there. So nice and soft. Yeah. Pillow here. Super comfortable. The seat there, by the way, is already in the most back position. I mean, it seems like there is more space, but yeah, not sure about the leg room here. I mean, I almost feel like the ID.7 has better leg room than this, but maybe that's not the point with this car. Yeah, this is, by the way, how I mounted the car seat. So of course we test this in the most unprofessional way. Here you have the headphones, also another headphone over there. You can of course connect it to Bluetooth and listen to your own music and don't disturb anyone, or if you have your secret conversations here. We are just missing a bulletproof glass here now. I'm just kidding. And the front seat is also really nice. And you know, they actually use the S-Class seats right now. I was like, huh, really? So the EQS didn't use the S-Class seat, but here it is just top notch. They put leather everywhere. They have leather in here. What, really? There's another USB-C over there. Wow, wait, do they still have the 12-volt outlet here? Yes, they do. Yes, they have it there. Of course. Wow, look at this. And of course, chrome here. That's a typical Maybach design element. And then, oh, it goes back. What the heck happened there? When I opened the door, it went into the easy entry mode, but I have to check here. Okay, still enough space. But you see, if the kids are a little bit bigger, they would start kicking on this. You see, she can almost reach it. She's around 85, 86 centimeters. So they can kick on the screen. You don't want that to happen, right? Well, can you remove the screen? No, the screen is there. You cannot do anything about it. And the seat is already in the most forward position. Sorry, the most backward position. Okay. Oh, that was a bit harsh. Sorry. Look at this. Oh, what the heck? Even the pedals are Maybach. Man, this is madness. Look, okay, I need to try the front seat. Oh, wow. Yeah. I mean, many people, they want to be driven in it, but you can also drive and enjoy this. We have leather in the inside here. Wow. What a car. And still, of course, the hyperscreen. So now we have James in the front, Audun, yeah. But you see, they have control there. So Audun, you can then close my door. Swipe it. Of course, why do I need to close the door myself? Mercedes, they did some extra engineering here versus a regular EQS SUV. They supposedly cover some of the motor and whatever drivetrain to reduce noise. They have also done some decoupling on the front motor to reduce even more noise. They have, yeah, they've done lots of stuff to reduce as much noise as possible. And it's nice and quiet in here. Okay, we have winter tires right now. We're not driving that fast, but I would imagine that if we would drive on the Autobahn at 200 kilometers per hour, we could probably just whisper to each other. Yeah. And the curtains are up now. And the panorama roof is open. Here and here. Yeah, that's where the other camera is mounted right now. And yeah, actually in this position I have plenty of leg room. Yeah, so we have a little extended here. I haven't figured out how to extend it all the way, but also I feel like I don't want to use my dirty shoes on it. So plenty of room there. But I see that this is too far for me to reach, so then I want to use this instead. So just press here, eject it. But if you go to comfort here, I'm going to show you something here. Okay, if you go to massage, if I scroll, it's not that smooth. Seat, no, okay. Okay, let's do the map thingy. No, it's fairly smooth, but hey, what happened there? I just lagged the whole matrix. No. Shit. No, you see, I can see the struggle when we're trying to do stuff like this. Well, no, I'm gonna go back. Center, yeah, sorry. I haven't figured out how to change the language. I don't know why it is so, not so. I'm struggling with the screen here. I don't know why. Come on, back, home. And go back to navigation. Yeah, you see, it is a bit sluggish. So maybe not the fastest tablet they have chosen to use here. Okay, if I... You see the struggle? You see the everyday struggle? Now the screen is over there. How do I get the screen out? See? Oh, okay, there's an animal there. Yeah. But you can see that this screen is more responsive. Yeah. But anyway, that was a really nice test ride, not test drive, but I think that was enough, man. It was awesome to be back here. So I think that's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.